50 extreme money-saving hacks for frugal living into 24. Frugal living is a lifestyle choice that involves being resourceful and careful with your finances to achieve greater financial freedom. By adopting these extreme money-saving hacks, you can live well on less, reduce waste, and boost your savings. Here are 50 powerful tips to help you embrace frugality in 2024. Introduction to frugal living. Frugal living isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart with your money and resources. Whether you're looking to save for a big purchase, pay off debt, or just live more sustainably, these tips can help you achieve your goals. 1. Create a detailed budget. A budget is the foundation of frugal living. Track all your income and expenses to understand where your money goes and identify areas to cut costs. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to keep it organized. 2. Plan meals and cook at home. Eating out is expensive. Plan your meals for the week, buy groceries in bulk, and cook at home. This not only saves money but also allows you to eat healthier. 3. Embrace bulk buying. Purchase non-perishable items like rice, pasta, and cleaning supplies in bulk. Stores like Costco or Sam's Club offer great deals for bulk buyers. 4. Freeze meals. Cook large batches of food and freeze them. This saves time and money as you can avoid the temptation of ordering takeout on busy nights. DIY household products. Make your own cleaning supplies, laundry detergent, and personal care products. There are countless recipes online that are cost-effective and eco-friendly. 6. Use coupons and cashback apps. Always check for coupons before you buy anything. Apps like Honey, Rakuten, and Ibotta can help you find discounts and earn cashback on your purchases. 7. Shop secondhand. Thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace and eBay are great places to find gently used items for a fraction of the cost of new ones. 8. Cancel unnecessary subscriptions. Review all your subscriptions, streaming services, gym memberships, magazines, and cancel the ones you don't use regularly. 9. Use public transportation. Save on gas and parking by using public transportation, biking, or walking. Carpooling is another great way to reduce transportation costs. 10. DIY repairs and maintenance. Learn basic home and car maintenance skills. YouTube is a great resource for tutorials on everything from fixing a leaky faucet to changing your car's oil. 11. Borrow instead of buying. Need a tool or a fancy dress for an event? See if you can borrow it from a friend or family member instead of buying it. 12. Cut down on utilities. Be mindful of your energy and water usage. Turn off lights when you leave a room, take shorter showers, and unplug electronics when they're not in use. 13. Grow your own food. Start a garden to grow your own vegetables and herbs. This can significantly cut down your grocery bill and provide fresher, healthier produce. 14. Use reusable items. Invest in reusable items like water bottles, coffee cups, shopping bags, and cloth napkins. This reduces waste and saves money over time. 15. Make coffee at home. Skip the daily coffee shop run and make your coffee at home. You can save hundreds of dollars a year by brewing your own coffee. 16. Avoid convenience foods. Pre-packaged and convenience foods are often more expensive. Prepare your meals from scratch to save money and eat healthier. 17. Negotiate bills. Don't be afraid to negotiate your bills, including cable, internet, and insurance. Companies often offer discounts to retain customers. 18. Reduce meat consumption. Meat can be expensive. Plan a few vegetarian meals each week to save money and improve your health. 19. Utilize free entertainment. Take advantage of free local events, parks, and libraries. Many communities offer free concerts, movie nights, and other activities. Repair clothes. Instead of buying new clothes, learn to sew and repair them. Simple fixes like replacing a button or mending a tear can extend the life of your wardrobe. 21. Use a clothesline. Save on electricity by air drying your clothes instead of using a dryer. A clothesline or drying rack is a simple and effective solution. 22. Limit impulse purchases. Avoid impulse buying by waiting 24 hours before making a purchase. This gives you time to decide if you really need the item. 23. Shop seasonal sales. Plan your purchases around seasonal sales and holidays. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and end-of-season sales offer significant discounts. 24. Utilize libraries. Libraries offer more than just books. Many provide free access to movies, music, and even online courses. Use your local library to save on entertainment and education costs. 25. Carpool or rideshare. Share rides with colleagues or use ride-sharing services to cut down on transportation costs. This is especially useful for long commutes. 26. DIY gifts. Make your own gifts for birthdays and holidays. Handmade gifts are often more meaningful and can save you a lot of money. 27. Simplify your beauty routine. Reduce the number of beauty products you use. Find multi-purpose products and DIY recipes to save money and reduce clutter. 28. Use energy-efficient appliances. Invest in energy-efficient appliances to reduce your electricity bill. Look for the Energy Star label when purchasing new appliances. 29. Cancel landline. If you rely on your mobile phone, consider canceling your landline service to save on monthly expenses. 30. Take advantage of loyalty programs. Sign up for loyalty programs at stores you frequently shop at. These programs often provide discounts, coupons, and rewards points. 31. Avoid late fees. Set up automatic payments for your bills to avoid late fees. This ensures your payments are made on time and can improve your credit score. 2. Invest in a good freezer. A good freezer allows you to store bulk purchases and leftovers, reducing food waste and saving money in the long run. 33. Use natural light. Take advantage of natural light during the day to reduce your electricity usage. Open curtains and blinds to let in sunlight. 34. DIY decorations. Make your own home decorations. Pinterest and DIY blogs offer countless ideas for creating beautiful decor on a budget. 35. Save on insurance. Shop around for insurance policies to find the best rates. Consider bundling home and auto insurance for additional discounts. 36. Plan staycations. Instead of expensive vacations, explore local attractions and activities. A staycation can be just as enjoyable and much cheaper. 37. Use cashback credit cards. Use credit cards that offer cashback on purchases. Pay off your balance each month to avoid interest charges and maximize your savings. 38. Buy generic brands. Generic or store brands are often just as good as name brands and can save you a significant amount of money. 9. Limit eating out. Set a limit on how often you eat out each month. Cooking at home is usually much cheaper and healthier. 40. Refinance loans. Refinance your mortgage or student loans to take advantage of lower interest rates. This can save you thousands over the life of the loan. 1. Use reusable menstrual products. Switch to reusable menstrual products like menstrual cups or cloth pads. These can save you money and reduce waste. 42. Optimize your commute. Find the most cost-effective way to commute, whether it's public transportation, biking, or carpooling. 43. Batch tasks. Combine errands into one trip to save on gas and time. Plan your route to minimize driving distance. 44. Reduce alcohol consumption. Cut back on alcohol to save money. Opt for homemade cocktails or limit drinking to special occasions. 45. Practice minimalism. Adopt a minimalist lifestyle by decluttering and only keeping items that you truly need. This reduces spending and creates a more organized living space. 46. Avoid bank fees. Choose a bank that doesn't charge monthly fees or requires a minimum balance. Look for accounts that offer free ATMs and no overdraft fees. 47. Repair instead of replace. Before buying new, try to repair broken items. This can apply to electronics, appliances, and clothing. 48. Make a savings challenge. Create a savings challenge to motivate yourself to save. For example, save every $5 you receive or set a goal to save a certain amount each month. 49. Educate yourself. Learn about personal finance and money-saving strategies. Books, podcasts, and online courses can provide valuable insights. 50. Set financial goals. Set clear financial goals to stay motivated. Whether it's saving for a vacation, a new home, or retirement, having goals helps you stay focused on your frugal living journey. Conclusion. Frugal living is about making conscious choices to spend less and save more. By implementing these 50 extreme money-saving hacks, you can achieve financial stability and enjoy a more fulfilling life in 2024. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow. By integrating these practical tips into your daily routine, you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of frugal living. Embrace the journey and enjoy the financial freedom that comes with it.